In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up deals in HubSpot. Let's jump straight in. Start by opening your HubSpot account and heading to the main navigation. Click CRM to access your customer records and sales tools. From there, open Deals. This is where your pipeline lives, whether you prefer the board view with stages or a simple list. If you don't see what you expect, make sure you're in the right view for your workflow. Next, look for the option to add a new record and click Add Deals. A creation panel or window will open. Choose Create New to start a fresh deal rather than importing or associating an existing one. This ensures you're building a clean record from scratch with the properties your team cares about. Begin with the deal name. Type a clear, descriptive title that your teammates will recognize at a glance. A reliable naming convention might include the company, the offering, and a time frame. For example, Acme, Annual Platform, Q3. Consistent names make reporting and searching much smoother. Now add the amount. Enter the expected value of the opportunity as your organization defines it. Use the correct currency and format, and make sure you're entering either the total contract value or the first year value, depending on your sales process. If it's a recurring deal, stick with whatever rule your team uses, so pipeline forecasts stay accurate. Edit the close date to the most realistic target you have today. This date drives forecasting and stage aging, so avoid leaving it at a default. Pick the month and day you and the prospect are actually working toward, and update it later if timelines shift. Click Deal Type to categorize the opportunity. Your options may include things like new business or existing business, but choose whichever categories your team has set up. Consistent types make it easier to segment performance later. Then set the priority. Use a clear definition your team understands, whether that's urgency, strategic value, or likelihood to close. So your daily view and alerts reflect what needs attention first. When those key details look right, click Create. HubSpot will add the deal to your pipeline, typically in the default opening stage. From here, you can associate the deal with the right company and contacts, add notes, attach emails, and log calls as you move it forward. Remember to keep the amount, close date, and priority current. Those three fields are the backbone of accurate pipeline health and forecast reports. That's it. You've set up a deal in HubSpot quickly and cleanly. Keep practicing with consistent naming, realistic dates, and standardized categories, and your pipeline will stay trustworthy and easy to manage.